Videos are for educational purposes only.
I look better